Let us start new sums. Question number 10 of exercise 5.3. Number 10, page number 113. See, question number 10. Show that A1, A2 up to AN, A1, A2 up to AN, then also proceed on, form an AP. And AN is defined as, the first one is given, AN equals to 3 plus 4N. You have to find AP. Okay, simple sum. Take n equal to 1. So A1 equals to 3 plus 4 into 1. 3 plus 4 ones are 4. So A1 means A. A is also called A1 means first term. Take n equals to 2. A2 equals to 3 plus 4 into 2. 3 plus 4 2s are 8. So 11. Take n equal to 3, A3 equals to 3 plus 4 into 3, 3 plus 4 3s are 12, that is 15, and so on. So AP is what? 7, 11, 15, and so on. Here A is 7 and difference is 4. Second question. Once again AN is given. AN equal to 9 minus 5N. So take n equal to 1. A1 equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. 9 minus 5 ones are 5. A1 means A. Take n equal to 2. A2 equal to 9 minus 5 into 2. 9 minus 10, that is minus 1. Okay? So, take n equal to 3 also. A3 equals to 9 minus 5 into 3. 9 minus 15, that is minus 6. So, AP is what? 4 minus 1 minus 6, etc. Here the first term is 4 and the difference is minus 5. 11 number. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP means Sn equal to 4n minus n square given. What is the first term? What is the first term? First term and sum of first term both are same. Means S1 and A1 are same. So S1 equal to what? 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 ones are 4, 1 square, 1, 4 minus 1, 3. S1, sum of first term is also called first term. Okay, so first term is 3. And sum of first term is also 3. Now, what is the sum of first two terms? Means find out S2. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. In our formula, place n equal to 2. 4 2s are 8, 2 square 4, so 4. S2, sum of two term is 4. Second, what is the second term? Means A2. Sum of two term means what? First term plus second term. A1 plus A2 equals to S2. Sum of first two term means first term plus second term. Means A1 plus A2 equal to 4. A1, that is first term, is 3. Plus 3 move other side, so A2 equal to 4 minus 3. So A2 equal to 1. Second term is 1. Sum of two term is 4 because first term is 3. 3 plus 1, that is equals to sum of two term. Similarly, find the third term. Third term A3 we want to find. So we need to find the difference is what? First term. This is second term is A2 minus A1. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. This is the difference. 1 minus 3. Okay, we want to find third term. Third term means A3 equals to what? A plus 2D. First term A is 3 plus 2 and difference is minus 2. 3 plus minus minus 2 2s are 4. So A3 equals to minus 1. Third term. Then 10th term. A10 equal to what? A plus 19. A is 3 plus 9. B is minus 2. 3 minus 9 2s are 18. That is minus 15. A10 equal to 10th term. Minus 15. Nth term. An equals to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. An equals to A is 3, n minus 1, B is minus 2. So An equals to 3 minus 2n minus minus plus 2. So An equal to 5 minus 2n. This is the formula of An. Okay? 12 number. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. First 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Sum of. Find sum of first 40 positive integer. Divisible by 6 means 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 6 3s are up to 40 terms. Right? We have done in the same exercise in question number 2. 1. So A equal to 6. Difference is also 12 minus 6 is 6. And we want to find S40. Sn equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S40 equals to 40 upon 2. 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 and d is 6. 2 20s are 6 2s are 12. 40 minus 1 39 into 6. 12 plus 234. 20 234 plus 12 246. 4920. S40 equals to sum of 40 terms, 40 integers, which is divisible by 6. Okay, write down all this thing. Then we start number 13. Number, find the sum of first 15 multiple, that is up to 15 multiple of 8. Multiple of 8 means table of 8. 8 ones are, 2s are, 3s are, up to how many terms? Sum of first 15 terms, up to 15 terms. Same style as number 12. A equal to 8. Difference is 16 minus 8. Want to find S 15. Up to 15 term. Sn equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S15 equals to 15 divided by 2. 2 into 8 plus 15 minus 1 and d is what? 16 minus 8 equals to 8. 15 upon 2, 2 8s are 16, 14 into 8. 15 upon 2, 16 plus 1, 1, 2, 14 8s are. 15 upon 2 into 1, 1, 2 plus 16, 1, 2, 8. 2 64s are. 15 into 64. 960 multiplication as 15 this is. Now 14 number, find the sum of the odd numbers. Find sum of odd numbers. Sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. 0 and 50. That is 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 49. Find the sum of this. Okay, first a equal to what? 1. Difference 3 minus 1, that is 2. And last term an equals to 49. So first find out n. How many terms are there? By applying an equals to a plus n minus 1 into b. 49 equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. 49 minus 1 equals to 2n minus 2. 48 equals to 2n minus 2. Minus 2 take other side. 48 plus 2 equals to 2n. 50 equals to 2n. 2 is in multiplication, move down. 50 divided by 2 equal to n. So n equal to what? 25 terms are there. Now Sn equals to n by 2, a plus l, because I have the last two. S25 equals to 25 divided by 2, a is first and last term is 49. 25 divided by 2 into 50. 2 25s are 25 are 625. This is S25. Once again recall the formula. That sum of odd number formula is n square. Here n is 25, so n square is 625. Okay? So in this way you can write it. So write it. Afterwards we will start the remaining sums. And remaining sums are of word problem.